Đúng.
Bữa này về chưa?
Không biết.
Không biết hả?
Không biết đi đâu.
Không biết đi đâu.
This guy's catching me. This one can come if he likes my singing. Hello cow, what's your name? We have this situation, it's kind of like a movie. If I make her angry, she can like throw me like that.
Exactly.
Like a judo throw. But little did the foreigner know that this is the exact reason she started her training years ago. A throwing skill better than judo and jiu-jitsu combined. So that when that fateful day arrives, when she meets her enemy, revenge will be hers. Okay guys, so I tested my modified underwater case, and immediately when I put it in the water came in. And also the GoPro got wet. Like the inside of the GoPro got wet. Is it broken? I don't know. So I'm filming with what I have, which is this camera. Very cool. Very cool. Unfortunately, I cannot take you underwater with me. The thing is, I have a collection and I don't know if it fits with my collection, and you know I gotta think about my collection, and I like this one. Look at that. No? For me. You have to find your own. Don't be lazy, go find them. I own the world, okay? I get to take. Okay, so I thought I lost you guys. I thought I lost everything. My GoPro turned off and I just let it dry for a few hours and now it's working. And we're actually heading back. See, there's a storm. I see a storm out there. This guy's catching up. You guys are beating us. You're gonna win. You guys are fast. I like how jolly everybody is, like the boat people. Wow.
Liên hả? Linh. So they will put us over there and we will walk to the restaurant, yeah.
They like to joke with us.
Linh đúng là. Linh hả?
They're really joking with us. Chị ơi, chị làm việc này bao lâu?
Làm việc này là nó sẽ năm rồi.
Okay.
Nó sẽ năm rồi. Okay. Vài khách đi là nó sẽ năm.
Năm năm. Oh.
Ok.
Vui không? Vui không?
Vui.
Vui hơn đi làm việc phòng. Vui hơn văn phòng.
Vui lắm, năm rồi, có khách 5 năm rồi.
We've arrived. So. Cảm ơn nhiều.
Cảm ơn nhiều.
Cảm ơn nhiều. We did it. It's interesting to see how jolly they are. Yeah. Hello. Yet another dog with shamelessly displaying his private parts. I am deeply offended. Hey guys, so I couldn't film underwater because of the case that did not arrive in time. But I'll just tell you what I saw. Starfish, slug, sea slug. There's this fish that if you step on it, it pokes you. I don't know what it's called. I thought it might be deadly. My friend said it's not deadly. Like just little fish and stuff, you know. Yeah, so it was okay. It was pretty cool. Easy to find, but you sign up with a diving thing and you don't need a license for it. They teach you right there, and then like you can do it in the same day. So that's, my friend recommended that. Too bad I couldn't do that today, but I wouldn't have been able to film it anyway. So this is right after the rain. Oof, look at that. Wow. I'm officially here in the end of May. There's not a lot of tourists. It's not like super touristy or anything. Guys, I love this place because there's toads. Whee! They're so funny. Don't go. You're funny. You're funny. You're my friend. Subscribe. Donate. What's he thinking right now? They've got like no defense. It's so funny. This stay is pretty cool. It's like 500 for a double room, 300 for a single room. We found this cool place. It's like chill. It's got the relaxing, you know, hammocks or whatever they are. My GoPro is seeming to be recording, but the screen is not turning on. Hello! They got cards. Did you hear that, Cootie?
Do you like Jamo?
Oh, we can try. Yeah. The dog wants you. No, I kiss you. Come here. I kiss you. Okay. Yeah, I kiss you. Let me kiss your face. I'm kissing you now. Hey. Yeah. Look down. Your cutie face. Look at you. Okay, I'm done. No. Enough.
It's recording, right?
Yeah.
So hello my dear subscribers. We are here with friends on my YouTube channel, Andre Viet.
They're my subscribers.
Here is my friend, Derek Viet.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Yeah. And here is my friend,
Oh,
my
hey.
girlfriend.
Hey, you made
and
it.
another my friend. So
Do you guys want to sit there?
I also don't want to sit there. Yes.
1-5.
Derek, this time, I don't believe it.
What the heck? You should have believed me.
Population here, they want to get married, they have to go into the mainland to get married because to avoid like getting married to your relatives.
Tóc mai của gia đình chồng cô là ở đây là 450 năm rồi. Hậu duệ trước đó họ mai là tiền điện là hậu duệ con mai hạt tết, mai đăng tiên. Bây giờ đi vô đây lập nghiệp từ 450 năm và phía gần chùa Hải Tạng cái mộ tiền hiền rất là to, được công nhận là di sản. Mộ tiền hiền mai 450 năm.
Okay.
Ông là hậu duệ đời thứ 12.
12 generations. So that's quite interesting. This island, it's mainly relatives. So my Vietnamese friend, she was walking around in the morning and she was talking to a fisherman. And for some reason the fisherman was talking about like philosophy and like all this stuff that you wouldn't expect from a fisherman. And she told me like a lot of the locals would ask her like, would you like to be my daughter-in-law? So we ran into one of the guys that took us on the boats yesterday.
Bữa nay về chưa?
Không biết.
Không biết hả?
Không biết anh đi đâu.
Không biết đi đâu.
Bánh đắng lắm nhỉ?
Làm lưới.
Mysterious corner, so we're gonna go there. I like that it's a fishing place, but it doesn't smell like fish, like in Da Nang. At the end of the 19th century, so that's very old. But this is Taoism and Confucianism. So does that mean that goddesses? Yeah, I guess I'm confused about the religion in Vietnam. This is not Buddhism, but I thought it was mainly Buddhism here. trademark of royalty in Hue. They put the ceramic in the, what is it, concrete or? Yes. I'm a historian. So I feel like living here would be cool, but I wonder if I would feel isolated. I wonder if I would feel like I want to be back into the mainland, and for some reason, I don't know why actually.
Hello,
Yeah. Hey guys, do you think cows are cute? I think they're freaking cute. What do you think? Write in the comments. Are they cute or not? Some people say they're not. Maybe that's why. Okay, now they're less cute to me after seeing that horror. He's got something hanging from his... Oh, that's his tail. Okay. I also heard that if you play music, they come to you, like if you play the flute. So I like that they appreciate my music, although I've never tried.
Hello.
La 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 la. Oh. Okay. Hello, cow. It's tied down. He can't even come to me if he wanted. This one can come if he likes my singing. Hello, cow. What's your name? Tell me what's your name. Come to me, my love. Come to me, my cow. He's like, shut up. Enough. He's like, go practice more. I'm talking to my friend about the concept of just letting your iced drink sit and letting the ice melt or whatever and just let it go. But for me, I'm trying to preserve the flavor while it's still there. But my friend told me in Vietnam, it's on purpose. Like they put the ice there, you're supposed to drink it very slow and you're supposed to let the ice melt because the ice melting helps to make it less concentrated. Are you sure it's intentional? Really?
We tend to put ice in everything, like even this. It just tastes better for us. Like it makes it very cold, which is very nice to drink, and also it doesn't change the flavor much. It just enhances the flavor.
Enhances the flavor?
If we drink something that is not cold, we don't feel
Oh, right. Making it cold, yeah, but like that's interesting mentality because in the West and also in Japan, for example, beer, I don't think we put ice in beer because it takes away the flavor, and it's like you're diluting, you're mixing the flavor with water. What you're saying is that they intentionally make it too strong so that they know you're going to put ice, and then that means that it'll dilute until it's just right. Interesting. Different mentality. In the West, if the ice melts into the drink, it's always a minus. A lot of us are confused right now. How are we getting the bikes? Or why are we not? Or what? I don't know. I don't know why, but they want to do this. Recipe for disaster. I feel like some of us have a nice bike here and we're not really feeling like putting it on the boat in this dangerous way. I think it's funny the tourists are helping, like pulling the ropes and stuff. Never help, I just vlog it. This is one thing I don't like about Vietnam. Too much risk taking with people's stuff. And so we went from there to here. We have this situation, it's kind of like a movie. So like when we bought our tickets, there were two people that canceled. And so our two friends were like, hey, okay, so you can join our boat. Like, okay. So the lady sold us, all 8 of us, tickets here and then tickets back. And then, so we all boarded the boat, and then they moved us to this place, and they're telling us like 2 people have to get off the boat and stay here overnight. So it's been crazy. Like, we've been here about 45 minutes arguing with them. The guy here decided to stay. The thing about Vietnam is like, usually there's not strict rules. It's just relax, relax, relax. And then suddenly there'll be like a super strict rule, like this. Like, only 25 people allowed. So we'll see how it turns out. So they recounted us, and there was actually 30 of us, 30 foreigners. There should have been 25. So at that point, they were just like, what did we do? We messed up. And I think it's just too much for them to deal with. So they're like, okay, whatever. I'm going to end the video with this beautiful view to